Today I'm comparing the LEXX MX Muffler to the stock muffler on my 350 EXC-F. This is a street legal bike, so it's got a really quiet muffler on it. I've been doing enduro racing with it and quickly found that I couldn't really hear where my RPMs were at because the muffler was so quiet. So I wanted to replace it with a slightly louder muffler without spending a ton of money on my bike, because let's face it, these parts are probably going to be destroyed sooner or later. So I'm going to be comparing this to the stock system, and I'm also going to be comparing some of the different tips that you can get for this. So I've got the quiet core insert, which is a small diameter with a big gnarly spark arrestor on it. I've got the 40 millimeter with a more free-flowing spark arrestor on it, because you have to have a spark arrestor for our Enduro series. This is what I've been running, the 40 with the spark arrestor. And then I've got the 46 millimeter with no spark arrestor. You can put the spark arrestor with this one, but for this test, this is just going to be the 46 millimeter open. So hopefully this provides some good information for you if you're also where I was looking into buying this and wondering what the hell it's going to sound like. Okay, after reviewing the footage, it seems like the further away the bike is from the microphone, the more accurately it depicts the sound differences. So let's rewatch that fourth gear acceleration one more time. Okay, hopefully that helps you if you're in the market for this muffler. I know it certainly would have helped me when I was looking into it. If you like the video, like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more Enduro videos.